Alright, Kristen and Kim, I wanted to show you what I've got going on so far. It's just the start. This is a real quick screencast of our first 3 slides we got going on here. This is the initial slide. Say begin course. Now this was the screen as Kristen originally suggested, which I think is also very good, but I've got another option I wanted to toss out to the team here. So I'll click on the next button here. And this uses more of an interactive approach to discuss the same thing. By the way, this graphic in here at this point has to be FPO. At some point we'll pick a graphic from somewhere in the overall presentation to put in here. That's what FPO means, for position only. Anyway, in this version, you follow these directions here, and I'll click next, and it's called a slidelet shows up and highlights a certain area and then gives you an explanation of it, as it does here for the items that are already visited, for the current item, and for the items that have yet to be visited, as well as the navigation buttons there in the bottom. Let's do that again. Alright, so for this one, I initially did something that I can't show you on this particular preview, but I have it set to when it rolls over this area right here, it changes the screen and shows a preview of the same FPO slide, which we won't be able to keep. Naturally, that'll be replaced later. But you cannot do that with HTML5. And what you're seeing here is an HTML5 preview. When we do that with SWF, we can see it. And I can't show it to you right now because I can't record in Captivate and show you a SWF preview at the same time. But to get the idea, it's basically like this. When you roll over that area on the screen, the background of the screen goes gray, and you see this screen capture of the last page in front. So anyway, I'm going to rewind, go through this again. Begin course. We have this page as designed, and then we have another option here which takes you through these various interactive overlays. And then we have this screen with this issue. We may want to either leave this out or do something different.